Welcome back to the vlog, guys. We are starting the day off in the garage. Mr. Larry's here. And today's plan, it's gonna be a lax day, but no days off. Remember, we're actually gonna start unwrapping this thing. And I think Jesse, Infamous Mind, he's gonna be coming by and he's gonna help us recreate a front splitter setup, and as well as canards. Actually, I have an idea. We'll be referencing the Rocket Bunny V2 canards, which I got wrapped in gold here. And I was running these for the longest time, but let me show you why I'm not. Obviously does not fit on this front bumper. For you FRS BRZ owners who are wondering what type of Lexus front bumper this is, it's not actually by Lexus. It is, it's called the Aim Gain front bumper. Super underrated, but also it's just because it's very expensive. If you guys remember in my previous vlogs, it was Eric who sold me this, and I kind of called it. If he ever ended up changing his mind on switching out his front bumper, to let me be the first to know. And yeah, he brought it down from Vancouver, got it installed, but it's actually still that really gross beige color that the FRS 2.0 came in. So still got to get that painted. You guys get the gist. We're gonna try to recreate this to fit this design. Might take some finesse work, but that's why it's always good to have more minds than just one. If both me and Jesse put our minds together, I think we can create something pretty crazy for this thing. We're gonna be using a 1/4 inch ABS plastic with the carbon fiber look. And then other than that, just get started on taking off the green. For what it's worth, this green has protected the OEM black color underneath it for the past 3 years. So pretty thankful. Once you go green, you might eventually want to go back to black. We'll tidy up a little bit before Jesse gets here and move Sunny's BRZ out, just to give us more room to work with. And yeah, get this day started. I want you guys to hear how loud this is. I think he's running the Tome 80R, but this is the same exact exhaust that I want to trade the HKS for, so go.
I think I got the wrong keys.
What? Really?
I don't know. It should be this one.
There's this arm?
I thought it was here.
Oh, fool! The engine button! Very deep growl. I like it. Here's the comparison. Now keep in mind, we're both running like different exhaust setups from the very front all the way to the back, so. All right, guys, Jesse, Infamous Mind, is here, and we're about to do some crazy stuff. Right now, we're just kind of assessing the front bumper and seeing, well, okay, so my idea actually, we can quickly design something on paper and then you'll be able to like shape it with your mind. But I wanted to make something like this, which is the Rocket Bunny V2, right? We'll have to like mock it up so it fits perfectly within this, right? So,
yeah,
and then
I've
this.
been practicing a lot of those lately.
Yeah.
Like, I did one today that fit like right in between, kind of like a fog light vent.
Yeah.
Dude, it was such perfect fit, man.
Well, this is why I was like super excited to see what you come up with, man. And then as for the splitter design, like we got the ABS, and we'll just try to mock it up like the old one where it flares up like this and it has the little vent, the cutout.
Do you want a splitter too? Like, am I building a splitter too, or am I just doing?
Is that
canards?
okay?
Yeah, I'm fine
both.
with it,
I hope we have enough material. It's so sad. I was hoping he'd bring the Supra one day though. Larry, what are you doing, dude?
Oh no.
You're not supposed to. Okay, Larry's started on taking off the green wrap. Going back to black. Okay, so first step is envision. Do a small rough sketch on a piece of paper to show you my idea. All right, so first step, after you got your little rough draft, is to try to create a prototype using cardboard. Just make things easier for yourself.
What brand is this?
That is just an eBay canard.
Okay, look,
but it's called Die. Show you guys the cars that are here today. Saw this widebody 370 come by, rocking iodine wheels, I think. Pretty nice. I'm still so jealous of his color. Fittingly, the wrap is called Envious Green. What? There is a sticker under it.
I managed to keep it there in case you wanted to. I don't know.
That actually looks really cool. Maybe we'll keep the lost royalty, but nah, let's keep going. That was one of the pieces that ripped off on my way back from Cali, and I just kept I lost it on the highway. Yeah. So I was like, fuck it.
This is the replacement, right?
Yeah, and I never even got it repainted. So actually on this FRS, there are a few pieces that are just a whole different color. The front bumper, the rear trunk, and I guess now this rally bag. I totally forgot. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Checking in on Jess's progress. This is his technique. Wow. That's legit, man. It's like real scientific aero shit. Yo, Eds, wanna drive the soups?
Oh, dude, I'm
Go for a spin. Have fun.
Dude, okay. Oh my god. Dude, first time in a Supra. Oh my god. Dude, this is crazy.
First time in the soups.
Right? Dude, I'm excited. This is crazy.
Damn. We didn't do too bad on the fenders, man. There was nothing on the forums, so hopefully we did okay on that. Noobs! BTS. That is super fascinating. I'm so excited, man. What are we doing?
They're there.
Yo, this is turning out so aggressive looking. Alright, Eddie found a new secret unlocked on the
Hold unlock once, and hold it again. Oh, sorry, I'll do that again. Redo. Okay. So on a hot summer day, you want to roll down your windows. And listen to automatic. Boom. And your brakes back up. And then you hold it. And your mirrors fold.
Damn. That's when you're parking. Park mode. Made this entire side black, and Jesse's come far with the front splitter. Yeah, check out these super custom one-off pieces. It actually fits right within there.
Yeah,
That takes some ingenuity. Jess, thanks, homie.
No worries, man. Thanks for the pad thai.
So Jesse actually has to get going, so probably won't be able to install this today, but we got a prototype and this side too. It's like, what a crazy piece, man. We'll do this.
I'll come back and we'll get it all bolted up.
Sounds good, man. Okay, enjoy the net, okay? Thanks. Good to see you. All right, Mr. I don't even know what to call you, Larry. I'll call you Larry. I didn't even know that we also didn't paint my Veris rear bumper. So it's white. So that's one other thing I gotta get painted. It's so nice outside. And it's very blue. Tons of blue cars. Okay guys, I think we're gonna end this video a little early. We're gonna just keep working on the FRS, unwrapping the green off of it, and probably do that for a couple more hours here. So as usual, if you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on the channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop some likes and leave some good vibes in the comments. And I guess if you do have any questions for me, feel free to ask them down below and I'll do my best to respond to all of you. Thank you guys for stopping by the channel and taking the time out of your day to do so. I appreciate you. Every single one of you guys, from the bottom of my heart, or from the entirety of my heart, not just the bottom. We'll see you on the next video.